Get into the 2017 Volkswagen Tiguan. With less than 80,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Take a closer look at this Volkswagen Tiguan, the fuel-efficient compact SUV with standout flexibility. Available features like third-row seating and all-wheel drive let you enjoy even more of this crossover's capability. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: sun, moonroof, keyless entry, power passenger seat, power driver seat, electronic stability control, heated front seat, aluminum wheels, intermittent wipers, tire pressure monitoring system, trip computer. Don't miss the opportunity to enjoy the comfort and convenience this Tiguan has to offer. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.